Well, the new improvements to the neighborhood, I think, is a good opportunity to show that we stick together, that we're trying to do something in the neighborhood to lift it up, instead of bringing it down.
Legacy Housing is a program that the Community Redevelopment Agency has sponsored, and it takes the older citizens and their homes, and a lot of people who are unable to take care of their own homes, and it rehabilitates these homes.
My house was one of the biggest on the street, and I knew it. And I used to be ashamed to come home. I leave and go out and come home. I used to be ashamed to come. I used to be ashamed for my church members to come by my house. But look at me now.
So much work has been done on the street and in this neighborhood. And it's all because of the great staff and the leadership of our city manager, as well as the support of all the other men and women who do so much for the city of Lake Wales.
This program was a God-given gift to us. It even came out better than what I ever thought it would be. So I'm so thankful and grateful for the program.
What I see going on in this neighborhood is a revitalization of the entire neighborhood, not just a few houses that have been done here, actually quite a few houses that have been done here, but the whole neighborhood. When we raise a few of these houses, we raise everybody, and that's the whole idea.
The whole situation, I was trying to get the house repaired. It's only me here in Lake Wales. It's only so much I can do with my brothers scattered all around. So when this opportunity came, I jumped on the bandwagon.